I want us to talk about. Today I want us
Your
to
microphone and camera on.
on it. Today I want us to talk about be yourself. From the time when we were young, we have been taught that we are not perfect and we have to improve ourselves. People wanted us to think, talk, and behave in different ways. All humans, basically friends and social relationships, because we are relational beings. When we try to do what we think others want, our life does not feel very fulfilling because actually it's not our life. For the process of be yourself, you must go backward. No one knows what can make you truly happy other than yourself. We have to understand that just because everyone else is behaving in a certain way does not mean you have to behave like them as well. You need to speak for what you believe in and so that world your uniqueness. When you when you are being yourself, it is easier to see what you desire and what is truly important to you. The whole universe seems to be in tune with your feelings when you are being yourself. Then, therefore, to copy person ways of life means to hide who you really want. But you should create your own path and enjoy. Always remember that it is better to be alone and confident by yourself than to be in the company of others by pretending out of insecurity. Always do what you love, regardless of what others are thinking about. You do what you enjoy. Thank you. If you want to make desire, you must be different from someone. Thank you.
All right, next.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Amisha, and my topic is social media. Social media is a communal interaction among people in which they create, share, or exchange information and ideas in a virtual communities. It has become the basic need and quality of human beings to be social. The advantage of social media are they target a wide audience, making it a useful and effective tool for society. Second, it reaches to people even in the remote areas, and the information is spread like fire. Distance is no moral limitation because of social media. You constantly updated with the latest news and happening in the society and environment through social media website. Teachers and professors can teach on different topics from remote places. And the disadvantage of social media are users of social media are becoming victims of fraudulent and online schemes that seems to be genuine. It opens up a possibility for hackers to commit fraud and launch virus attacks. Third one is student indulge the dispute because of the social media, and because of that, sometimes school has to resolve the disputes. Thus, we are users have to learn the balance and not allow ourselves that to be controlled by this technology. Thank you.
All right, people at the back. Yes.
Good afternoon to all of you present here. My name is Ranjit Kumar Pandey. Today's my topic is global warming. Global warming is dangerous portion of we life. Global warming is issue all over the world because our Earth's surface becoming hot day by day by trapping trapping the sun's heat and rise in the level of atmosphere carbon dioxide. Many reasons of global warming as in very high population and cut the tree and make factory wastage material. The, the, un, the unpredictable climate change effect affects the agriculture and produce productivity of the nation. On है मैम.
Let's continue.
increasing human population and industrial activities have tell two problems associated with the pollution of air, water, and soil. Pollution has a negative impact and human in terms of heart and quality of life as well as and other animals and plants. So I think save the tree and control the human population and limited factory open its debt. Uh, that's it.
Yes, next. Next.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today's my speech is smoking in public. I'm in support of the banning of smoking in public area. Secondhand smoke is very harmful to non-smokers. Every time I inhale secondhand smoke, it makes me angry that I'm being subjected to it. If they must smoke, then they should do it in private and not a place when it might affect those who choose not to. Every time I inhale secondhand smoke, it makes me angry that I am being subjected to it. If they must smoke, then they should do it in private and not in a place where it might affect those who choose not to. Thank you, ma'am.
बोले बोले माइक ऑन हो गया बोलो ना माइक ऑन हो गया बोले गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन जा रहा गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन माई सेल्फ प्रकाश कुमार आई वुड लाइक टू डिलीवर ए स्पीच ऑन है मैम Good afternoon, everyone. Myself, Prakash Kumar. I would like to deliver a speech on thoughts of Gandhiji on COVID situation. As the daily toll of numbers of COVID-19 cases rise around the world, examining possible response of Mahatma Gandhi could be useful. Gandhi felt political work was not sufficient and he was driven to a spirit of service as a young man in South Africa. Its success in the practice of law, notwithstanding, Gandhi longed for some humanitarian work of permanent nature. He got the opportunity Gandhi nursing skills stood
Do
him.
not waste time.
बोल तो रहे हैं मैम good stead when he volunteered his service to the empire in times of war of serve the community in times of disease. While
Ranjit
his
Kumar,
passion-
keep your camera on.
In times of disease, while his passion for cleanliness became one of the pillars of Satyagraha truth force. The Spanish flu epidemic must have been raging when Gandhi political work led to him support the Khilafat movement at the end of World War I, with the aim to foster closer relations between Hindu and Muslim. By 1919, the virus became virulent, killing large numbers of young age between 20 to 14. So many young women succumb to it. Spanish protocols to protect against it, wearing of mask, keeping distance, isolation, and quarantine in case of infections, allowing for fresh air and light. Thank you.
Good afternoon, all of you. Today I am here to share my opinion about self-confidence. Self-confidence is the key to success, or we can say the first step to success. If a person has self-confidence, he has won all half the battle. Those people who have self-confidence, the work, school, and in their daily life always appears on top of the world. Self-confidence is something that cannot be taught. Nothing can be done without hope, confidence. This line is absolutely true because if on those not have confidence, they can never achieve or go beyond what they want to do. In order to attain self-confidence on needs to believe that they can do the task at hand. It cannot be accomplished overnight, but slowly gets stronger and stronger over a period of time. One of the major ways of obtain confidence is acting like one is confident even when not. At the last, confidence comes naturally with success, but success comes only to those who are confident. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is social media. Social media and online platforms where we can so the thought information, pictures and the videos we all use it can our day to day life. It has become an integral part of our day. There are the various social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, etc. We all use them to communicate and socialize locally as well as the globally. Social media has both advantage and disadvantage. I would like to be mention advantage of social media first.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sudhanshu Ranjan, and I'm going to say something on what is better, buying pet or adoption. Without thinking twice, we can say that pets are a source of immense joy to people. A majority of the students seated here might have pets at their home. You never feel lonely when you have pets. Pets like dogs are very loyal to their masters and are even called man's best friend. Most of you might have bought your pets from pet shop. Some of you might have adopted them. Which one do you think is better? Trying to adopting. As with any other concept, these two also comes with its pros and cons. When you adopt a pet from an animal center, you are giving it a new home and a new life. Animals who are adopted are the one that end up in shelter homes. These are the animals that need a good home. That need a good home. You are also saving its life because many animals shelters synthesize these animals.
Please speak loudly.
When the shelter floods with animals and there is no space to accommodate them. Also, the cost of adopting a pet is much less than buying them. You can also contribute to helping stop places like puppy mills where they breed animals for commercial purpose and do not cause cares about the welfare of the dogs. They are left in the worst living conditions and are treated very badly in such places. After they are no longer useful, they are killed or are just left to die. If you promote adopting animals, this organization will run at a loss and may eventually shut down. Thank you.
Right. Next. We are calling students from the back line by line. So that everybody gets a chance to speak.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Hello, everyone. My name is Himanshu Singh. I am going to speak on the importance of hard work. There is
Very
nothing in
good.
this world. There is nothing in this world that we cannot achieve by our hard work. But only our hard work is not enough. For this, we have to do smart work also. If we put all our energy to do some work and don't do anything to make it easy, then we will waste our time along with energy. Hard work is also very important for a student life, but at the same time, they should also use the time properly. If someone says that we can be successful only with the hard work, it is also that nothing can be done without. But if we keep a balance of intellect and energy, then we can go a long way. Thank you.
Very good. Yes, we can go a long way only if we work hard. And hard work always pays. So those who try to achieve success, they will have to indulge in hard work, right? Yes, next. Come line by line, right?
Good afternoon, all of you. My name is Mani Prakash, and I want to talk on the topic self-love. Self-love means accepting yourself you are in this very moment for everything that you are. It means accepting your emotions for what they are and putting your physical, emotional, and mental well-being first. Self-love motivates you to make healthy choice in life. When you hold yourself in high esteem, you are more likely to choose things that nature your well-being and serve you well. These things may be in the form of eating healthy, exercising, or having healthy relationship. Finally, to practice self-love starts by being kind, patient, and gentle and compassionate to yourself, the way you would with else that you care about. Thank you.
Good afternoon, all. My name is Abhijit Raj, and today I want to talk something on the topic online classes. Online classes are involved from time and how it be accessible by all. Students can easily download applications and attend online classes, but classroom or learning is as important like before. It's always been a debatable issue of teachers and students both. For all these reasons, we have prepared some of the important paragraphs on the advantages of online studies in the below section. Nowadays, many universities and educational institutes are shifting towards the online learning pattern. They share their curriculum and whole syllabus online. Online learning is an alternative option for the traditional method of studies. Many institutes serve their studies online for the people who are working and want to complete their studies from home. It can be best. Some people complain that they are more comfortable with the offline learning.
Good afternoon, everyone. Hi, friends. My name is Amrit Abrezala. Paragraph on knowledge.
Yes, next. Please do not stop the chain.
Good afternoon, everyone. Hi, friends. My name is Amrit Abrezala. Paragraphs on knowledge. Knowledge is not something is acquired overnight, and you have to keep reading and learning new things to increase your knowledge. Knowledge is something that you can always depend on for your whole life. It is one of the important and powerful in the world. You can high place of your career. The help of knowledge. You can read more paragraphs written about articles and people around you. Thank you.
A very good afternoon, everyone. My name is Gupta, and I would like to tell about education. Hesitation means to, if you want to get achievement in your life, to remove this. But the day this hesitation will go away, you will feel very confident. I know it's easy to say all this, but equally difficult to do. But in the last class, I gave a speech, but that speech may not have been given well. After that, I giving a speech here in front of everyone because I have to avoid my hesitation. And now I am feeling very confident. So I hope you will. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all of you. My name is Kunal Kumar. I want to talk on the topic of mobile phones. Today, mobile phones have become an important part of our life. It is hard to imagine our life without mobile phones. Everywhere, all people, children, men have their own mobile phones, and they use all the time. Mobile phones are also helps people to access the internet anytime, anywhere. There is another side of mobile phones, sometimes good but sometimes bad, like students of junior school can easily knowledge about something on the mobile phones, but it can easily addict on mobile phones. This is not only impact on physical but mental health. The research shows that kids who spend on more time in mobile phones, they lack of IQ and social skills and mental physically. They, mobile phones have also, but people should use with some causes. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. First of all, thank you so much for giving me opportunity. My topic is important of education. Education is the most important things for human being and continue a lifelong process. It began a great change in our life, became prosperous and meaningful. It is a foundation of human development. Is it said that the education is the most important thing for human? It is said that the education is the third eye of human being. Education teach us to be polite, so education make the people polite. They helpful, honest and hardworking. Education is that property which cannot be stolen. We can take this property whatever. Educated people always respect. Education increase the self-confidence. Education make us to be independent. Education helps to become the financially. Education provide manpower like doctor, teacher, etc. Thank you.
पानी लाया पानी लाया छोड़ आने दो नहीं भी पियेंगे चलेगा क्या दिक्कत है म्यूट करे या ना
Good afternoon, all of you. Today, my topic is social networking. Social networking sites are a great platform for people to connect with their loved ones. It helps in increasing communication and making connection with people all over the world. Also, people believe that social networking sites are harmful. They are also very beneficial. Furthermore, we can classify social networking sites as for blogging, podcasting, and more. We use social networking sites for various uses. It helps us greatly. However, it also is very dangerous. We must monitor the use of social networking sites and limit their uses so it does not take over our lives. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Priya Jaiswal, and today my topic is on success. Success is not something which we achieve in a day or a year. It is a process of achieving your goal and feeling good about yourself. It's a slow and gradual process, so wait for it. The definition of success changes from one person to another. For some, success could be doing your dream job, having a place, car, or it could just be marrying a person you love the most. The definition of success changes and it is not the same for everyone. So work on the process of achieving your goal and I'm your will be successful in life. Thank
First of all, a lovely good afternoon to all of you. Myself, Kamini, today's am speaking about Virgin Hyperloop. Virgin Hyperloop is an American transportation company that worked to commercialize the high-speed technology concept called Hyperloop. It is a variant of vacuum tube. It is established in 1st June 2014, formally Hyperloop technology in 2014 to 2016 and Virgin Hyperloop One in 2017 to 2020. Its founder is Servin Peshawar, Brogan Bramborg, but the concept is introduced by Robert H. Goddard in 1904. It is the system intended to move passenger cargo at airlines speed at cost of air travel. The train was designed to run suspended by magnetic system in vacuum tube. This vehicle would glide silently for miles at a speed up to 760 mph, 1223.1 km per hour with very low turbulence. But in the history, on November 8, 2020, Virgin Hyperloop conducted the first human trial with Virgin Hyperloop executive Jose Ziegel, co-founder, CEO, and Sarah, director of passenger experience as the first passenger at the speed of 172 km per hour. At last, I want to say that this is new technology which give us more anything. Thank you.
माइक ऑन करवाइए मैम।
This is one of the phrases that anyone can see in a slide. Is someone who is initially set up that can they make their place in our lives all the other and pure love without